Introducing the 2018 Volkswagen Passat Highline 1.6tdi M6F. With 120 horsepower, this sleek four-door saloon in grey is a showstopper. Packed with features like Bluetooth, sat-nav and ambient lighting, this car offers ultimate comfort. Safety is paramount with ABS, airbags and collision avoidance. The stylish chrome package and privacy glass add an extra touch. Benefit from a full warranty, multi-point safety check and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out on this beauty. Call us or visit Michael Moore.ie for more details. Drive off in luxury and peace of mind today.